Bitcoin money very has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which especially most certainly is very huge in a by and large significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $220.73, exceptionally in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an unpretentious way. The extremely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense generally is at $181,065,176, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. 27 November 2023. In this video we will generally certainly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for especially genuinely 1 week from now, and basically for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense, explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What sort of is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, by and large is BCH an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge amazingly. However, prior to jumping pretty genuinely profound into the BCH specialized examination, for the most part in every practical sense, let us by and large discussion about the actually really current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought, which explicitly is very huge. Market examination over the reasonably last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the pretty truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316, which generally for the most part is very huge incredibly. The in every way that really matters, genuinely all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $51,887,486,523, fundamentally in every way that really matters, further appearance how 27 November 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and all things considered. Attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts, what certainly especially is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, for the most part is BCH a kind of very wise venture, which most certainly essentially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum entirely has a strength of 16.33%, showing that the kind of really current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of basically is at $181,065,176 in an unobtrusive manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95% in an all things considered kind of significant way. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially truly, has seen a value decline of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period in a fundamentally lovely significant manner. XRP the in every practical sense, beautiful local coin of XRP essentially is somewhere near 3.54 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they generally thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they actually essentially thought. These occasions essentially by and large demonstrate that the market sort of generally is going in a very descending bearing for fundamentally in every practical sense, present moment, sort of kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, a very for the most part broad entirely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which certainly by and large is very huge. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally certainly are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, actually genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Support truly is a level at which purchasers especially for the most part become kind of substantially more essentially sort of dynamic and sort of truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally genuinely further in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction explicitly in every practical sense is a level at which vendors sort of generally become move kind of dynamic and by and large really prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot of all things considered higher in an exceptionally beautiful significant way. Following basically by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The kind of most certainly current Bitcoin money cost, especially explicitly, is $220.73, with an exchanging volume of $181,065,176 in the very for the most part beyond 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Right now, BCH generally truly is somewhere near 2.66% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,319,800,665 United States dollars, so the truly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money truly is at $181,065,176, or so they really thought, which is very huge. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 27 November 2023 inside a by and large everyday time span certainly truly made sense of beneath, showing how Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, which generally truly is genuinely huge. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to truly in every practical sense break down the future development of the Bitcoin money, showing that as of now, a genuinely sort of broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner in a very enormous way. While BCH's Williams %R marker sort of is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signals sort of all things considered, is somewhat conceivable at this reach, truly in every practical sense. Further appearance how following sort of explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The very all things considered, current Bitcoin money cost explicitly certainly is $220.73, with an exchanging volume of $181,065,176 in the reasonably fundamentally beyond 24 hours, or so they most certainly thought, or so they basically thought. The truly relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI generally really is at 25, fundamentally certainly further appearance how as of now, an entirely of general exceptionally kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially by and large is genuinely critical, which for the most part is very huge. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the quite signal line after a hybrid in every way that really matters, further appearance how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an unpretentious way.